Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to review the steps that are involved when replacing the cabin microfilters in my E92 M3. This procedure is super easy and will save you time and money at the dealer.
First, let's review what's required. We have our cabin air filters, 2 per side, and an 8mm socket. Today we're going to go ahead and use a drill to make this process even easier. Okay, once you get the plastic housing out, it'll look like this. You'll notice there's a couple tabs here and here, here and here, holding down the filter. All you need to do is take a small flathead screwdriver to bend the existing filter over those tabs. It should pop out pretty easy for you. There's one. And there's two. Next, we'll just drop in the replacement filter. Make sure it clicks under those tabs. You'll hear it click. I think we heard all 4 there. Put this one in. All right, nice and snug. Okay, putting this back in is just the opposite of the removal. Just line up our holes here. Just get these started. Try not to drop any this time. Okay, if you decide to use a drill for this, make sure you tone down the torque. You don't want to over tighten these and break the plastic. And there you have it. Okay, same procedure on the opposite side.
Well, that's a wrap. Cabin air filters in just a few minutes. Hit the like button if you found this useful and subscribe if you want to hear more about my M3 and a couple other interesting cars I have queued up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.